Mandy Lee by the Edison Quartet. Many years ago today, wedding bells were ringing gay. Seemed as if they sang a song of love to me. At the meeting house in town, all the folks were gathered round. Down the aisle I proudly walked with Mandy Lee. As we stood together there, a little sunbeam touched her hair, just as if it loved her too, the same as I. Then the parson bowed his head, placed her hand in mine and said, love and honor one another till you die. Mandy Lee, I love you, indeed I do, my Mandy Lee. Your eyes, they shine like diamonds, love to me, love to me. Seems as though my heart would break without you, Mandy Lee. 'Cause I love you, Mandy, indeed I do, my Mandy Lee. Mandy Lee, I love you, indeed I do, my Mandy Lee. Your eyes, they shine like diamonds, love to me, love to me. Seems as though my heart would break without you, Mandy Lee. 'Cause I love you, Mandy, did I do, my Mandy Lee.
Bring back my Bonnie to me by the Hayden Quartet. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Last night as I lay on my pillow, last night as I lay on my bed, last night as I lay on my pillow, I dreamt that my Bonnie was dead. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me,
I have grown so lonely, living thus away from you. For I love you, and you only. Still I wonder if you're true. I regret the harsh words spoken, but I know have caused you pain. anybody seen our cat, Bert Shepherd? I'm upset now, let me tell you why. Our old tomcat's done and run away. My old gal declares it is a sign. Somebody's number's up and 2 to 1 it's mine. I've been wondering who I am to blame for sneaking the bacon and the brawn. And the young man lodger's tender steaks and they're missing on a Sunday morn. Has anybody seen our cat? Has anybody seen our cat? He's got a bit of black on the end of his tail and the skin's all off where he's been fighting. Last Sunday morning, we missed him from the mat. Whoosh, meet. Has anybody seen our cat? How we love that cat, nobody knows. Put butter on his feet and pepper on his nose. When he caught cold, I gave myself a job. Covered him with poultice and set him on the hob. When the toothache troubled him so bad, and I found little Tommy could eat, I tied up his face, put tobacco in his ear, and got another cat to chew his meat. Has anybody seen our cat? Has anybody seen our cat? He's got a bit of black on the end of his tail and the skin's all up where he's been fighting. Last Sunday morning, we missed him from the mat. Whoosh, meet. Has anybody seen our cat? I never thought he'd leave his happy home, though after the gals he often used to roam. I've sent striped hounds out upon his track. I'm doing everything to try and get him back. Got 2 carts heads stuck upon a pole and nailed up a kipper on the door. And written underneath it, welcome home, and a promise not to kick him anymore. Has anybody seen our cat? Has anybody seen our cat? He's got a bit of black on the end of his tail and the skin's all up where he's been fighting. Last Sunday morning, we missed him from the mat. Whoosh, meet. Has anybody seen our cat? Has anybody seen our cat? Has anybody seen our cat? He's got a bit of black on the end of his tail and the skin's all off where he's been fighting. Last Sunday morning, we missed him from the mat. Whoosh, meet. Has anybody seen our cat?
In the good old summertime, sung by Mr. William Redmond, Edison Records. There's a time in each year that we always hold dear, good old summertime, with the birds and the breezes and sweet scented breezes, good old summertime. When your day's work is over, then you are in clover, and life is one beautiful rhyme. No trouble annoying, each one is enjoying the good old summertime. In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime. Rolling through the shady lane with your baby boy. You'll hold her hand and she'll hold yours, and that's a very good sign. That she's your toasty woofty in the good old summertime. Go swim in the pool, you play hooky from school, good old summertime. You play ring-a-rosy with Tim Page and Josie, good old summertime. Those days full of pleasure we now fondly treasure, when we never thought it a crime. So go stealing cherries with face brown as berries, good old summertime. In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime. Strolling through the shady lane with your baby boy. You hold her hand and she'll hold yours, that's a very good sign. That she's your toasty woofty in the good old summertime.
Bill Bailey, won't you please come home? Sung by Arthur Collins, Columbia Records. On one summer's day, sun was shining fine, the lady love of old Bill Daly was hanging clothes on the line in her backyard, and a weeping hard. He married a B&O brakeman that took and throwed her down, bellering like a prune-fed calf with a big gang hanging around, and to that crowd she yelled out loud, won't you come home, Bill Daly, won't you come home? She moans the whole day long. I'll do the cooking, darling, I'll pay the rent. I knows I've done you wrong. Remember that rainy evening I drove you out with nothing but a fine-tooth comb. I knows I was to blame, well ain't that a shame? Bill Daly, won't you please come home? Bill drove by that door in an automobile, a great big diamond coach and footman, hear that big winch wheelies all alone. I heard her groan. She hollered through that door, Bill Daly, is you sore? Stop a minute, won't you listen to me? Won't I see you no more? Bill winked his eye as he heard her cry. Won't you come home, Bill Daly, won't you come home? She moans the whole day long. I'll do the cooking, darling, I'll pay the rent. I knows I've done you wrong. Remember that rainy evening I drove you out with nothing but a fine-tooth comb. I knows I was to blame, well ain't that a shame? Bill Daly, won't you please come home?
Duet, Down Where the Würzburger Flows, sung by Collins and the Holland, Edison Record. The Rhine by moonlight, the beautiful sight, when the wind whispers low through the vine. But give me some good old Rockefeller at night, where the brilliant electric light shines. The poets may think it's delightful to hear the nightingale piping his lay. Give me a piano, a cold sign of beer, and a fellow who knows how to play. Take me down, down, down where the white flag flows, flows, flows. It will drown, drown, drown all your troubles and cares and woes. Just order 2 ciders of lager or 3. If I don't want to drink it, please force it on me. The Rhine may be fine, but a cold sign for mine. Down where the Würzburger flows, take me down, down, down where the Würzburger flows, flows, flows. It will drown, drown, drown all your troubles and cares and woes. Just more than 2 ciders of lager or 3. If I don't want to drink it, please force it on me. The Rhine may be fine, but a cold sign for mine. Down where the Würzburger flows.
Danny Riley by the Hayden Quartet.
Little Mamie Riley, a maiden young and coy, the sunshine of a happy home, a mother's pride and joy. She has a sweetheart, Jamie, whose love is sincere, and all day long this little song he whispers in
right to Jamie. I'm your Jamie, just the same, Jamie Riley.
Little Mamie Riley, she had another beau, which caused a lot of jealousy, and Jamie told her so. While listening to his pleading, he blushed a rosy red, with tearful eyes and loving sighs, her Jamie to her said,
Say, Mamie Riley, I love you, hear me love you, Mamie Riley, yes I do, you can't blame me, and now you try to save me, I'm your Jamie, just the same, Mamie Riley,
Mamie Riley,
say, Mamie Riley, I love you, hear me love you, Mamie Riley, yes I do, you can't blame me, and now you try to save me, I'm your Jamie, just the same, Mamie Riley.
Bedelia, sung by Billy Murray at a Sun record. There's a charming Irish lady with a roguish winning way, who has kept me heart a bumping and a jumping night and day. She's a flower from Killarney with a Tipperary smile. She's the best that ever came from Erin's Isle, and I find myself a-singing all the while. Bedelia, I want to steal ya. Bedelia, I love you so. I'll be your Chauncey oilcloth if you'll be my Molly-O. Say something sweet, Bedelia, your voice I like to hear. Oh, Bedelia, I made up my mind to steal ya, Bedelia dear. Faith, if you love me, Bedelia, half as much as I love you, there is nothing in this world can ever cut our love in two. For I'll give you all my money on the day that we are wed. I will cook for you and even bake the bread, and I'll even bring your breakfast up to bed. Bedelia, I want to steal ya, Bedelia, I love you so. I'll be your Chauncey oilcloth if you'll be my Molly-O. Say something sweet, Bedelia, your voice I like to hear. Oh, Bedelia, I made up my mind to steal ya, Bedelia dear.
When Louis came home to the flat, he hung up his coat and his hat. He gazed all around, but no wifey he found, so he said, where can Flossie be at? A note on the table he spied. He read it just once and he cried. It ran, Louis dear, it's too slow for me here, so I think I will go for a ride. Meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Don't tell me the lights are shining any place but there. We will dance the hoochie coochie. I will be your tootsie wootsie if you will meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Blue Woods was the name of a horse that ran at the New Orleans course. I played him one day for $1 each way, and I charged it to profit and loss. He started to run in the wet. The son of a gun's running yet. That crazy old skate, he made straight for the gate, and I hollered, hey Lou, don't forget. Meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Take my tip and don't stop running until you are there. You're a wonder, that's no light ski, if you don't fall down and die ski. So meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. In church sat a man near the door. Asleep he was starting to snore. The minister rose and he said, we will close, singing meet on the beautiful shore. The man in the back then awoke. He caught the last words that he spoke. He said, Parson White, you can meet me all right, but the beautiful shore is a joke. Meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Don't tell me the lights are shining any place but there. I'll be waiting at the station for the whole darn congregation. So meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair.
Alexander, sung by Billy Murray at a Sun Record.
Look here, Alexander, I was only fooling. When I said another tune, my heart was rolling. All the day I think of no one else but you. Honest, Alexander, won't you please believe me? It would break my heart in two if you should leave me. Won't you take me back, babe, and I'll always be true. Never let another man make eyes at me. I'll be just as sweet as any gal can be. You can be the boss, I'll let you have your way. Alexander, won't you let me stay? Can't you see the rain and hail and fastly falling, Alexander? Don't you hear your lady lover softly calling, Alexander? Take me to your heart again and call me honey. All I want is love and I don't want your money. Alexander, tell me, don't you love your baby no more? Can't you see the rain and hail and fastly falling, Alexander? It's raining out here. Don't you hear your lady lover softly calling, Alexander? Oh, Alexander. Take me to your heart again and call me honey. All I want is love and I don't want your money. Alexander, tell me, don't you love your baby no more?
Don't shake with fear as I draw near. I'm just a harmless creature. Don't think me wild, I'm meek and mild, for weakness is my feature. Please have a little pity and listen to my ditty. I'm not the great Elijah who heals in Zion City. I'm the ghost of a troop that disbanded in Peoria. I'm the ghost of a bunch that were only out for glory, 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 hallelujah, hallelujah. Money never talks. In me you see a novelty. I'm the
the ghost that never walked. On Salary Day they used to pray that I'd make my appearance, but railroad fares and empty chairs, they caused an interference. Show days are not all sunny, and don't think me too funny when I tell you that I couldn't even pay them with stage money. I'm the ghost of a troupe that disbanded in Peoria. I'm the ghost of a bunch that were only out for glory, 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 hallelujah, hallelujah. Money never talks. In me you see a novelty. I'm the ghost that never walks. I'm the ghost of a troupe that disbanded in Peoria. I'm the ghost of a bunch that were only out for glory, 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 hallelujah, hallelujah. Money never talks. In me you see a novelty. I'm the ghost that never walks. Navajo, sung by Billy Murray, Columbia Records. Down on the sandhills of New Mexico, there lives an Indian maid. She's of the tribe they call the Navajo, face of a copper shade, and every evening there was a croon who came his love to plead. There by the silvery light of the moon, he'd help her string her bead, and when they were all alone, to her he would softly crow, never, never, my Navajo, I have a love for you that will grow. If you have a tune for a bow, I'll have a Navajo. This Indian maiden told the colored man she wanted lots to wear, laces and blankets and a powder can, jewels and pipes so rare. You bring me feathers dear from the store, he answered, have no fear. I'll bring you feathers, babe, by the score, if there are pink and clear. With joy then the maiden sighed, when to her once more he cried, never, never, my Navajo, I have a love for you that will grow. If you'll have a room for a bow, I'll have a Navajo.
Bluebell, the dawn is waking. Sweetheart, you must not die. Bluebell, my heart is breaking. I've come to say goodbye. Hear how the bugle's calling, calling to each brave heart. Sweetheart, your tears are falling. Bluebell, we Christmas past. Goodbye, my bluebell, farewell to you. One last fond look into your eyes so blue. Meet campfire gleaming, meet John and Jan. I will be dreaming of my own bluebell. Bluebell, they are returning. Each greets the sweetheart blue. Bluebell, your heart is yearning. Never one greets you. Sadly, they tell the story. Tell how he fought and fell. No thought of fame or glory. Only his own bluebell. Goodbye, my bluebell. Farewell to you. One last fond look into your eyes so blue. Meet campfires gleaming. Meet John and Jan. I will be dreaming of my own bluebell. There's a charming Irish lady with a roguish winning way, who has kept my heart a fluttering and a jumping night and day. She's a flower from Killarney with a Tipperary smile. She's the best that ever came from Erin's Isle. And I find myself a-singing all the while. Fidelia, I want to save ya. Fidelia, I love you so. I'll be your country all clock if you'll be my Molly O. Say something sweet, Fidelia, your voice I'd like to hear. Oh, Fidelia, I made up my mind to say ya, Fidelia, dear. If you love me, Fidelia, as much as I love you, there is nothing in this world can ever cut our love in two. I will give you all my money on the day that we are wed. I will cook for you and even bake the bread. And I'll even bring your breakfast up to bed. Fidelia, I want to save ya. Fidelia, I love you so. I'll be your country all clock if you'll be my Molly O. Say something sweet, Fidelia, your voice I like to hear. Oh, Fidelia, Fidelia, dear. Fidelia, I want to save ya. Fidelia, I love you so. I'll be your country all clock if you'll be my Molly O. Say something sweet, Fidelia, your voice I like to hear. Oh, Fidelia, I made up my mind to say ya, Fidelia, dear. dream, your fair face beam. You're the flower of my heart, sweet Adeline, sweet Adeline, my Adeline. Tonight, dear heart, for you I pine. In all my dream, your fair face beam. You're the flower of my heart, sweet Adeline.
A Bird in a Gilded Cage, sung by Harry Anthony at a Sun Record. The ballroom was filled with passion strong, it shone with 1,000 lights, and there was a woman who passed along, the fairest of all the sight. A girl to a lover then softly sighed, as riches at her command. But she married for wealth, not for love, he cried. So she lives in a mansion grand. She's only a bird in a gilded cage, a beautiful sight to see. You may think she's happy and free from care. She's not, though she seems to be. It's sad when you think of her wasted life, for you cannot make with age, and her beauty was sold for an old man's gold. She's a bird in a gilded cage.
Goodbye, My Lady Love, sung by Harry McDonnell at a Sun Record.
Oh, you're going away because your heart has gone astray. And you promised me that you would always faithful be. Go to him you love and be as true as stars above. But your heart will yearn, and then someday you will return. Goodbye, my lady love. Goodbye, my turtle dove. You are the idol and darling of my heart. But someday you will come back to me and love me tenderly. So goodbye, my lady love, goodbye. Goodbye, my lady love, goodbye, my tender dove. You are the idol and darling of my heart, but someday you will come back to me and love me tenderly. So goodbye, my lady love, goodbye.
I love a sailor, the sailor loves me and sails every night to my home. He's not a sailor that sails over the sea or over the wild briny foam. For he owns an airship and sails upon high. He's just like a bird on the wing. And when the shadows of evening grow nigh, he sails to my window and sings. Come take a trip in my airship. Come take a sail among the stars. Come have a ride around Venus. Come have a spin around Mars. No one to watch while we're kissing. No one to see while we spoon. Come take a trip in my airship and we'll visit the man in the moon. Will the audience please join me and whistle in the chorus? Come take a sail among the stars. Come have a ride around Venus. Come have a spin around Mars. No one to watch while we're kissing. No one to see while we spoon. Come take a trip in my airship and we'll visit the man in the moon.
Can't you see I'm lonely? Sung by Miss Ada Jones. Edison Record.
Today has been a sad one. I've been all alone. It might have been a glad one. Nothing to atone. One thing did grieve me, honest, believe me, I've been sad at heart. It's just a year I had a dear, but now we're far apart. So listen while I plead, it's company I need. Can't you see I'm lonely, lonely as can be? For I want you only, there's no one else for me, and you know it. Sometimes, dear, I wonder why you keep away, leaving me so lonely, lonely night and day. Can't you see I'm lonely, lonely as can be? For I want you only, there's no one else for me, and you How'd you like to spoon with me? How'd you like to spoon with me? If you need an old feet on your shady, call me to Tootsie Woodsy Day. How'd you like to hold your sweet? Stand me upon your knees. How'd you like to be my lovey-dovey? How'd you like to spoon with me? How'd you like to spoon with me? How'd you like to spoon with me? With me the old dear old and shady, call me to Tootsie Woodsy Day. How'd you like to hug and sweet? Stand me upon your knees. How'd you like to be my lovey-dovey? How'd you like to spoon with me?
Did you ever see two Yankees part upon a foreign shore? When the good ship is just about to start for old New York once more. With tears in eye they say goodbye, they're friends without a doubt. When the man on the pier shouts loud and clear as the ship drives out, give my regards to Broadway, remember me to Herald Square. Tell all the gang at 42nd Street that I will soon be there. Whisper of how I'm yearning to mingle with the old-time throng. Give my regards to old Broadway and say that I'll be there ere long. Say hello to dear old Coney Isle if there you chance to be. When you're at the Waldorf, have a smile and chalk it up to me. Mention my name every place you go, as round the town you roam. Wish you call on my gal, now remember, old pal, when you get back home. Give my regards to Broadway, remember me to Herald Square. Tell all the gang at 42nd Street that I will soon be there. Whisper of how I'm yearning to mingle with the old-time throng. Give my regards to old Broadway and say that I'll be there ere long.
The Oriole with joy was sweetly singing. The little brook was babbling its tune. The village bells at noon were gaily ringing. The world seemed brighter than a harvest moon. For there within my arms I gently pressed you, and blushing red you slowly turned away. I can't forget the way I once caressed you. I only pray we'll meet another day. In the shade
voice that I heard, like the song of the bird, seemed to whisper sweet music to me. I could hear the dull buzz of the bee in the blossoms as you said to me. With a heart that is true, I'll be waiting for you in the shade of the old apple tree. In the shade of the old apple tree, where the love in your eyes I could see, where the voice that I heard, like the song of the bird, seemed to whisper sweet music to me. I could hear the dull buzz of the bee in the blossoms as you said to me. With a heart that is true, I'll be waiting for you in the shade of the old apple tree. Good old summertime, in the good old summertime, rolling through the shady lanes with your baby mine. You'll hold her hand and she holds yours, and that's a very good sign that she's your tootsie wootsie in the good old summertime.